Absolutely flying. Okay guys, things are just getting a little bit too crazy. We're having over 30 knots. I'm getting close to shore because yeah, it's just not doable anymore, man. Holy F. I think there's even in the gusts like over 35 knots, so even on my smallest brief, just a little bit to genuine out, it's just overpowered. Ah, finally, rest, no more waves, got some shelter from the hills behind me. Actually, that is Salau, the big party place in summer. But now it's deserted and I see some broken hotels. But look at this, no waves, still a lot of wind. But hey, at least I'm in the clear for a second. Cheers. This really sucks, guys. Fuck, the waves just turned my bed into a swimming pool. I can never get this dry. Oh, that sucks. That sucks. Fuck. Guys, check that out. Look at all these birds here behind me. Can you see them? Yeah, look at all those birds. That means there's a lot of fish. So I just caught one, but it let go. So I'm gonna go in between the birds again and I should be able to catch another one. So hopefully, let's go right in between them. See this? They are all feeding on fish. So I'm gonna go in between. Let's see if I can catch some tuna, because there should be tuna in here. How crazy is this? Check this out, guys. This is a feeding fancy. There should be all little sardines here. Crazy, huh? Okay, we lost the fish. I'm gonna try it again. Go in between. Because if there's small fish, there's big fish. And I've got a big fish on my hook, so let's get a tuna. Because I want to eat fish tonight. And I'm gonna eat fish tonight. Check. Oh, we got fish. We got fish. We got fish. Some ships for anchor. I don't know which port it is, but it smells. What a crazy place this is. But hey, it's providing me shelter from the wind now. I'm on the motor along the coast and I don't even have the sails out, and that feels like I'm going full pull. I think the motor like in a 45-degree angle and I don't even have the sails out. This is insane. Guys, what a crazy night again. I just couldn't go on. I was trying to go for anchor, but I don't know what's going on. Even the harbor master says it's crazy weather. There's a big storm with like 60-70 knots above Barcelona, and it's pushing all the water and all the waves in here. But here the wind is coming from the other direction, so that's making waves as well. So it's like a big washing machine, and I don't know what's happening, but they said it was only going to be like 20 knots, but I had gusts of like 30. So here I am in the harbor. I just had a really good harbor master getting me in. He saw me going up and down for a couple of times. I couldn't even get to the radio, so I really need to get a portable radio, because yeah, this was dangerous. Almost hit up here. This is crazy. This was such crazy weather. I'm so lucky to be here in the harbor. One of the scariest nights in my life. Yeah. Okay, boat is ready again. This is where I docked last night in the storm. You can see behind me. Oh, I don't know if you can see it, but there's still 20 knots blowing, but it's gonna get down a little bit later on. So I got some diesel again in the boat. I cleaned the boat up, so no more ropes over the deck. Everything is prepared. Gonna get myself a quick shower, and then I'm off again. Oof, still windy. But I'm gonna turn the camera around, so you can still see and feel there's still 15 to 20 knots. You can see the mountains in the back. I need to go around that one. After that it should be a nice smooth sail. And yeah, the boat is ready again. Rudder is still going strong. Look, it's not soaking up too much water. Only 2 more days to go, and then I should be in Dania, and yeah, we can fix it up. Look, there we go again, me and my little tank. Later, and check these out. How cool are these little one-person sailing boats? That's awesome. Check this out. No way. You can do everything from the inside. How cool is that? You're steering with your feet. That's awesome. Cool. Loving it. Oh man, just left the harbor. Look at that. We got a really hard breeze. A breeze, this is like 15 knots, 20. I'm only on the Genoa, doing over 5.5 knots. Check that out. Oh, and then even like with half a Genoa, I'm already overpowered. Oh, a little bit more wind than expected. Oh gee. Okay, guys, it's gonna be a nice wind. I'm half wind. Check that out. Half the Genoa, already overpowered, doing over 6 knots. That's a lot of wind again, but hey, I'm on course. I'm flying. I'm gonna be there within like 4 or 5 hours around the corner, and aiming for 60 miles today. Awesome. Still 4 hours of sunlight. Loving it. That's pretty wicked up. Check that out. The geese are flying south as well. Everybody's heading south. After the sun, that's how we do it. Check this out, guys, on not even half a Genoa. We are actually flying. Oh, that's sailing, look at that. Just a small bit of Genoa. This is over 20 knots, but flat water. Insane. Yesterday in the storm at night, I couldn't see what was going on, but yeah, unfortunately This broke loose as well, need to fix that. It happily didn't go through the sail, but unfortunately, look what I checked out. Here it did, because let's see, look at that, the plastic came off, so yeah, that's sharp. I gotta fix that straight away now as well, so that sucks. It's stupid. I shouldn't go out when I know it's over 25, 30 or when there's a chance on that rough winds. It's just not good for the boat. So guys, save your boats, don't go out over 25 knots. It's beautiful now. How nice is it over here? Awesome. It's just such a feeling of freedom, being alone out on the ocean. And yeah, I know I have a lot of issues, I have a lot of problems on the boat, but you know what? There's nothing that you can't fix. It's gonna take me some sewing, a couple of hours work, but hey, you gotta do something with all that free time. I mean, like most of you guys, you're out in the office 8 hours a day. I can spend 8 hours a day on fixing the boat. Oh, there's more wind going. Let's get back. Look at that, guys. Yeah! Life is awesome, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. No wind, so I'm on the motor doing 4 knots. That's around about 1800 reps. And look, I'm having a little coke with some whiskey, and I'm editing some cool movies for you, because Lex and me, we had a hell of an adventure. So yeah, make some new movies for you guys, and yeah, enjoying my single-hand sailing again. Have to get used to it again, because it's so nice to having a helping hand. Lex was awesome. Lex, thank you again. Couldn't have done it without you, getting to know the boat. And yeah, I feel so much yeah, more ready now being on the boat with you. So Lex, thanks mate, can't wait to see you again. Guys, have a good evening. Hopefully I'll be in Valencia tomorrow morning.